for chapter 1, and because of online courses, so I think maybe it won't be necessary to open present live. But this time I open this window, present live. So if you want to join present live, go ahead to scan the QR codes. Well, it seems to be no. Let me go to next one. Modeling complex system. And this compared to EMI1 will have a bit higher model. So we will have the so-called complex systems possibly. Well, this one actually we still have EMI1 first. All right, and then we have the complex system. But for EMI1, why we need to have the revisit EMI1? Because we want to have a list, and so that we have a linked list. We just want to directly have a linked list, and so that you can pass on list to have the better way to show the result. Why? Because in chapter 1 we use array. So this time we will use the real one linked list. If we have a linked list, and then we have the right way to have infinity Q. Alright, so for this one, of course, we need to have the right way to have the EMI1 simulation because of the infinite size of Q. And this chapter also provides you some library, and the library is called SimLib. Alright, that says simulation library. Alright, so first of all, I think for most of you understand real world system, they are quite complex. And actually, of course, it's difficult and time-consuming task. This one thing, you will feel this using your intuition. No problem, we know this. And in fact, because of that, so we want to have the suitable techniques to help us to study the complex system. Of course, we need to have the advanced technique. So advanced technique, we can pass on data structure. All right, some concept of data structure, of course, we can pass on the concept of a list. And with the list, of course, we need to have the list processing. With the list processing, then we can have the right way to deal with, for example, the EMI1 with the infinite size. Well, if it's list, actually, the list can take care of most situations and most simulations. Well, if so, the authors in the task force provide us the library, SimLib. The library allows us to have the C support functions. It's a library, so it's a group of NC standard C support functions. Alright, so all this you can use them and serving us your library next time if you think, oh, they are useful. If you think they are useful, of course, sure, go and use them, no problem. Of course, it says, of course, it says complete source code can be downloaded from actually the website here. You can check them whether you can download from the website or maybe, of course, identity hub through the shell directory. By the shell directory, you can check our line group. At this, I don't know, in the past, some students have ever checked, and we have some class to be corrected, including one, the number for the variable. So for that one only, for the others, maybe, for that student, she let me know. Oh, okay, no problem for the others if we just focus on the MM1. So follow the past experience, I think maybe no problem. If indeed you have some problem, perhaps you need to check. Can you have the successful compiling, successful linking, and so that you can have the executable file. So all the steps here, maybe you need to check. Can you have the suitable configuration for your environment? If no, maybe something wrong. If some names wrong, maybe about compiling or linking. So you need to have the two-step finish, and then you can have the executable file for running. All right, so just for your reminder, and possibly I may ask the tutor to have the demonstration. And if you still don't know how to have the procedure for running the C program, maybe you can refer to that video for illustration.